Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to want to do is create a new YouTube channel. Now this requires a Google account, and I recommend making a new Google account for each new YouTube channel that you create, because then if anything happens to a single channel of yours, your other channels will not be affected. So to create a new account, you just click sign in on the top right of YouTube right here, and then you'll be prompted to sign into your Gmail if you already have one, but if you need to create a new one, you can just click create account right there. And then you can just fill everything in here out. You can just put in your first and last name, and then you can either put in an email address that you already have, or you can click create a new Gmail instead, because then you can just put in anything and this will be a new email that you create. Okay guys, now that we're logged into our Google account here, we're gonna now create a new YouTube channel. So you'll probably be prompted to create a new YouTube channel by default once you make a Google account. Let's say you already have a YouTube channel and you want to make another YouTube channel on the same Google account. Now again, I recommend creating another Google account before you make another YouTube channel. Make a new Google account for each new YouTube channel you make, because then it's just not putting all your eggs in one basket. But to create a new YouTube channel manually, all you have to do is first off, click on your profile picture on the top right hand side of YouTube, and then click settings. And then once you're in settings, you'll see a button right down here that says see all my channels or create a new channel, and you'll want to click that. And then this will display all your current YouTube channels, and if you want to create a new channel, you just click this button right on the top. And then this will create a new brand account and therefore a new YouTube channel. So then you can come up with a name for your channel. And there we go, I just created a new YouTube channel. As you can see, it is up and ready. In the next lesson, we're going to go over how to customize and optimize your YouTube channel. So the first thing I recommend doing right when you create a new YouTube channel, I recommend clicking Customize Channel, this blue button right here at the top. And then once you click that, it'll bring up a whole bunch of options that allow you to further customize and optimize your YouTube channel, as you can see right here. So now we can actually add channel art, we can edit our profile picture, and we can add sections to our YouTube channel. As you can see, the upload section is added by default, and you can also add sections like let's say you make a popular upload section, and you can have it as a vertical list or a horizontal row, and then you can just click done. I recommend putting a popular upload section because your most popular uploads will be your most popular for a reason. Because they're either getting a lot of watch time, they have a really good click-through rate, so having your popular uploads displayed near the top of your channel will make people want to click those videos when they come to your channel. And you already know those videos are performing good, so they will perform good with future viewers. So I recommend putting your popular uploads near the top of your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to add channel art here real quick. We can just upload it from my computer. There we go, it's uploading, and now it is uploaded. Then we can just click select, and there we go, our channel art is up. And you can just make this anything, guys. You don't need to make this super fancy or anything, especially for the types of channels that we're going to be creating to make money. All this stuff on the channel doesn't really matter that much. What does matter though is optimizing your channel. I'll get to that in just a second. Let me just add a profile picture here real quick. So there we go, got the profile picture and the channel art. I recommend having something there at least, but most of your views will come from YouTube suggested videos and browse features, and then thirdly, probably YouTube search. So a very small percentage of your viewers will be viewers who go on your channel and watch your videos.